Hey, we're pulling back, we're pulling back. Pull back, pull back. Yeah, we're pulling back. You go first, you go first.
Push. They're not really kind of concentrating on the left-hand side. It's mainly you're my squad, aren't you?
Yeah.
Sniper, aren't you? Do you want to start fucking causing some havoc on that right-hand
Yeah,
side?
Roger.
24 niggers on the right.
Yep.
1, 2, 3. They don't know what's behind that way.
Roger.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go across, really.
Okay, I'll cover.
3, 2, 1, go. Right, one American down this track. Yeah. Where are they? Oh!
Oh, massive. Just over there in the corner.
Keep your head down, they can fire up through there.
Are they alive though?
Dude, see those hedgerows this way? There's a cap on the tree, hedgerows. There's one in there firing up this way, you can see shots coming through. So don't put your head up to here.
Yeah. They're starting to move up, boys.
Pushing up. Water! Spread out. Distance. Short and left.
Incoming. That's rank. Oh!
Short and left.
We're allowed to open fire?
Yeah. They tried a mortar attack, 3 went up and they've gone back now. They're moving left to right. The mortar was about 2 metres short. Just told Edgar to tell us what to do and Edgar sent us up here.
Oh, someone's got range on us. Which side? Left? Going right. Mortar's going right. Yeah, someone said.
It crossed over from the far side of you but I think he got wounded by a
There's like a...
Did someone just say stop, 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 fire?
No, 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 I don't think so. We would have heard it by now.
They go towards our base.
You trying to get those guys in the bush? Yep.
Did you see the 9 run that way?
I want to keep this position, so I think keep it here, Fraser.
You just stay there. Stay there. No, drop to up.
Let's get ready, come in.
They're just in that tree there. I need to do my shoelace up.
Right lads, make sure they don't fucking put fire!
I don't think that got you because it was in the.
Fairly close.
It was in the ravine.
No, it killed us. Definitely killed us.
Fucking spread out, they've got that 0 pin!
Scrap from car. It is scrap from car back together. It's an arm, it's an arm. I can't now.
Where's the water located?
I don't know.
Right.
I'm already dead.
You want Sunny?
Yeah.
I'm done.
God knows where it was with the SS, I think.
MG2 on him, keep fucking right on his arse.
It was on the water. You going back?
Right, Mike, you want to hold this fucking point for these guys here?
Oh, were you? Sorry, I didn't
Yeah.
realise you were wounded.
Yeah.
I thought you were offering it.
No.
But
Well, they're somewhere down there as well. They're somewhere down there. Sanitator!
Say I'm peppering them in that bush. I'm sure one of
Yeah.
them must have hit, but they're not putting their hand up.
We want to keep this position though. It's a good position. Yeah. We're spread out. MG's crossed. MG's going right into the bushes.
they're moving out in the open. They're going backwards. shots are moving right.
Moving right!
We're all crossing the open to the right into those bushes.
Bazooka!
Watch it, you can be shot from there.
Yeah. Where's that mortar going? Huh? Yeah. Right. One American's just walked from the left to the right. He's going to be meeting up with the medic. There's another one.
Can you see where he is?
Yeah.
Forward about 30 metres. You know where this ridge drops down?
Yeah, yeah.
The white patch. There's somebody down there. He's crap. I don't think he's got the range. He's got Garen or something. He's not getting any range enough. And then there's still two over beyond the bush. The medic's just gone behind it.
Oh yeah, I see.
That guy there who's just ducked down.
Yeah.
Bush is closest to us in the foreground. They're there. There's two.
Those guys, are they in play on the right hand corner?
Yeah, that's where they're massing there to get out of the bushes, but they're a way out. Well, that's a bit strange. You've got fucking blokes there, opposite me, and he's shooting that way. I don't think he's SF, so they must have shot him.
No, that's an American down there. What, right in front of us?
No, on the far side.
There's also an American My 12.
I know, I had a corker earlier. That bloke, he was running, it hit him in mid-flight.
You can fucking hear that as well.
It hit him in mid-flight. Is that gas when you were?
Yeah,
This
the
is the par 10, not just...
yeah.